हेलो गाइस, आई होप ऑल यू आर गुड। आज हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। लास्ट टाइम हमने क्वेश्चन 13 तक देखा था। आज का क्वेश्चन हम लोग नेक्स्ट देखेंगे। In which year did the Constitution of India was amended to add, among other things, that India should be socialist state? Answer is 1976. The method used for transferring complex technology is trunky contract. Dash is concerned with holding the balance between economic and social goals and between individuals and communal goals. Answer is corporate governance. That is concerned with the withdrawal of state from an industry or sector partially or fully. Answer is privatizations. Next question is which act was replaced with the introduction of Competition Act 2002? Answer is MRTP. Competition Act was enacted in the year. Answer is January 1999. This is the process of analyzing the environment for the identification of factors which have impact on or have implications. Answer is scanning. Which committee recommended the enactment of Competition Act? High Level Committee on Competition Policy and Law. Which policy is concerned with raising revenue through taxations and deciding on the level and pattern of expenditure? Answer is fiscal policy. Who has developed the system approach of industrial relations? John Dunlop. ये important है हाँ. FEMA was passed in the year 1999. The policy of government related to export and import is EXIM policy. DES is an act to control and regulate the concentration of economic power to the common detriment. Answer is MRTP. Consumer Protection Act was came into force in 1986. Indian economy is an example of mixed economy. Next question is economy is not planned, controlled or regulated by the government. Answer is free market economy. This is the main aim of economic planning in India. Answer is growth with social justice. This is the apex body of the economic planning in India, planning commissions. Analysis process of change in the business environment involves conceptualizing it is a dynamic. The concept of a firm's license to operate refers to the need for a firm to retain its legitimacy in the eyes of the public. The transfer of assets from public sector to the private sectors is referred to as a privatizations. What is triple button line audit? A social, economic and environmental audit. What does the PP or P3 initiative refer to? Public-private partnership. What does the PFI initiative refer to? Private Finance Initiative. Globalization refers to a more integrated and interdependent world. Which of the following do not facilitate globalizations? Barriers to trade and investment. Which of the following is not derived from globalizations? The fragmentations of a consumer taste between countries. Globalizations is beneficial for firms because it opens up new market opportunities. आई होप आप लोग को इतना क्वेश्चंस मिले. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मैं आप लोग को और क्वेश्चंस बताऊंगी. थैंक यू.